Whoa! Oh! Oh my god! Have you never heard of this? Arm. That's how you sneeze. Not. This man sprayed it everywhere. His whole fucking room is contaminated right now. But I never learned as a child how to sneeze. What the fuck, bro? And he had the tissue. Look, look. He had the tissue in his hand before. There. And he just doesn't do anything with it. He just sneezes all over his whatever the fuck is on there. Disgusting. Damn, ninja.
Jesus!
What? What? This man's still going? Nah.
He needs some milk.
Whoa.
Dude.
And now he grabs a tissue. And now he grabs